Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to polish this aluminum tray with the Mr. Metal Polish to reveal a mirror shine. So what we're going to do is take some of this Mr. Metal Polish and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it in to this aluminum tray until it's as dark as possible, wait for it to dry, and then we're going to wipe it away with another Scott Blue shop towel to reveal a mirror shine. One nice thing about Mr. Metal on aluminum is how quickly it brings back surface shine without heavy rubbing. It's a non-abrasive liquid formula, so it cleans and brightens the aluminum while also leaving behind a light protective layer to help slow future oxidation. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.